Yo guys, so today was not the greatest day for Samsung and the Galaxy Fold. In a matter of essentially 24 hours, things went from, hey, this thing's actually kind of cool to, oh my God, what are we gonna do? There was a handful of people out there with review units where seemingly one after another devices were breaking left and right. And this isn't a video to jump on Samsung or to bash them or to make fun of them. It's actually just a reminder of saying, hey, let's be decent human beings. It's one thing to criticize a company or a product and hey, this thing is like $2,000. That's a lot of money. You could buy a ton of stuff with that kind of cash. So if you paid for that and you ended up with this, I would be upset too, but it's an entirely different mindset to root for tech to fail. Don't be that guy who's like, yes, you Samsung in the face, Galaxy Fold sucks, Samsung boys, iPhone for life. That's just not cool. It's the same people with the iPad and they see some article of it bending and they're like, yes, I knew it, Apple is trash, all you guys are suckers, oh my God, it's so good. Like if you get off to this kind of stuff, what is wrong with you? I am by no means saying that Samsung gets a pass for this, but again, what I am saying is let's not root for tech to fail, especially when Samsung is taking a huge chance with this and trying to move tech forward. Now, the problem from this actually stems from the screen protector-like film that apparently was supposed to stay on the Galaxy Fold, and if you removed it, that's when things would turn really ugly. Where things get tricky though is there are two sides. You have the retail package where it's more apparent. They have it written on the plastic saying, hey, don't, whatever you do, remove this plastic or you're gonna screw things up. And then you have the reviewer side where it looks like apparently Samsung seemed to omit that. I don't know about you, but if Samsung knew this, and you better believe they knew this or it would not be plastered on the retail packaging, it would not be in the actual reviewer's guide, that should be like the first thing you are telling people so one, they don't screw their folds up, and two, they can then inform people who are watching the videos not to do this yourself. On the other side of things, you have people that did not remove the film and seemingly had no issues. There was one guy who even bent and folded his like 50 million times just to showcase that his was okay. I think there was one where they did not remove the film and still had problems, but it'll be interesting to see how Samsung responds. Are they going to delay shipment? Are they going to cancel it? Are they going to recall packaging and stamp giant letters on there saying, please, 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 please don't remove this film or your phone will die? Now, prior to this catastrophe, there were already people who were writing off the Galaxy Fold. And yeah, I'll be the first to admit it's expensive, it's Gen 1 tech, and the average person should by no means buy this, but it doesn't mean that we should knock Samsung for at least trying to move things forward. People knocked the iPad when that was announced and said that wasn't gonna succeed. People knocked the original Galaxy Note, and look, that changed how we look at smartphone size to this day. We're at this place in tech where people want and almost demand innovation at a rapid pace, and the only way you get there is by taking chances. Unfortunately, sometimes you fall on your face, but it's ultimately how you react. And I'll be interested to see how Samsung reacts. I'm rooting for them. Hope they can pick up the pieces and get this thing out eventually. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for the tech. So thank you guys for watching. Just a reminder, hey, let's be good humans. Let's not root for tech to fail. Let's root for tech to succeed. And I will catch you guys later.